Proper shading is not fixed shading, because what ends up happening is I can easily shade my windows at solstice, and I can easily let the light in winter solstice. But in our climate in Virginia, and certainly your climate in Pennsylvania, what we have, this is equinox sun, is shoulder season sun. In order to shade for the shoulder seasons, which is where most of our overheating occurs, having a fixed overhang really doesn't work unless you want a 5-foot overhang. So fixed overhangs is really a poor shading mechanism for a passive house. Heating and cooling in passive houses is a really important dynamic thing. One of the things that happens in these buildings is the windows will have an effect on the interior climate, much more than typical buildings. And so what we recommend is to have an external shading device of some sort that can move. As a cheap builder, I use bug screens. I use solar reflective bug screens. And I tell my clients, you put them on in the spring and take them off in the fall. That works really well because you have to buy them anyway. They're cheap and they shade. They do great. Now, we use tilt and turn windows that open to the inside. If I use a casement window that opens to the outside and I put a screen on, I'm kind of screwing myself because that screen's on the inside. I've already let 60% of the heat inside. External shading on these buildings for mixed humid climates is really important, or else you will get overheating or you will have a larger mechanical system than you need.